Welcome back to 20 Car. Not all legends wear badges of speed. Some, like the 2025 Ford Transit 350 concept, wear the armor of industry, their presence felt in the silent hum of progress. This is not just a van, it is a fortress on wheels, a rolling empire of utility, sculpted with Ford's unwavering devotion to strength and function. The bold, chiseled front fascia replaces mundane design with an aerodynamic aggression, crowned by a monolithic grille and piercing LED matrix headlamps. But step inside, and the Transit-350's brute force gives way to an unexpected luxury, a cabin that feels less like a cargo hauler and more like a tech-laden cockpit of control. A sprawling 15-inch touchscreen dominates the dash, infused with Ford's latest Sync AI, optimizing routes, efficiency, and even driver fatigue levels. Beneath its commanding frame lurks a 3.5 liters EcoBoost V6, delivering 400 horsepower and 500 pounds-to-foot of torque, catapulting this behemoth from 0 to 100 kilometers height in 7.1 seconds. Whether towing, hauling, or simply owning the road, Ford's Intelligent AWD system ensures an iron grip on any terrain. It faces rivals like the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter and Ram ProMaster, but none match its blend of brute strength and cutting-edge tech. With an estimated $55,000 starting price, it promises enduring value, though its fuel appetite and size demand consideration. For those who build, move, and lead, the 2025 Ford Transit 350 isn't just transportation, it's transformation.